Hi there, students. Brisk. Brisk is an adjective, and you have briskly, the corresponding adverb. I think you could probably even say briskness as a noun, and you can even use it as a verb, to brisk or to brisk up, but I don't think it's very common. I don't think it's very used. Okay, brisk means fast and lively, full of activity, spirited and quick. I went for a brisk walk. I didn't walk slowly. I didn't run, but I walked quite rapidly, quite briskly. He walked briskly because it was cold. We can also use brisk to mean stimulating or invigorating. A brisk wind was blowing when we took our brisk walk. And we sometimes use brisk to mean tangy, zesty. So this white wine has a brisk flavour. We can also use brisk to mean a bit rude, as in brusque, to treat somebody briskly. I didn't spend enough time explaining. He dealt with it too briskly and people were upset. So, brisk, quick, energetic. Yeah, business is brisk today. Business is brisk on Fridays, active, lively. We can use brisk to mean full of energy, vitality, invigorating, brisk mountain air. So brisk, quick, lively, energetic, active, animated, bustling, zesty. So if you treat somebody briskly, maybe you put too much energy into it and they are a little bit upset. Yeah, they feel you've been rude or blunt. Then we have brisk, invigorating, fresh, sharp, crisp, snappy, bouncy, keen. His comments were brisk and incisive. So they went straight to the heart and quickly, directly and invigorating. As a verb, to brisk up means to liven up, to make more lively, to give energy to. So business brisked up after lunch. He normally brisks up after a couple of coffees in the morning. Okay, so brisk, quick, a brisk walk, brisk, invigorating, brisk wind, brisk weather conditions, brisk, tangy, a brisk flavour, brisk, overly curt, overly short and rude. So, business is brisk. He was brisk and rude. A brisk speech, short, sharp and rapid. Now, your next question is formality. I think I'd give this a 5.5 in formality. It sounds ever so slightly literary, but I think it's flexible and you could use it anywhere, informally and very formally, so that's quite useful. And then the question of origin. I've looked for the origin. It's a bit uncertain. There's a Welsh word, brisk, and there's also our French word brusque, meaning quick. But going further back in origin, I can't seem to find a trace. So, brisk, snappy, rapid, a brisk walk, invigorating, a brisk air, brisk mountain air. To be rude, he treated me briskly. And that's about it. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Brisk.